Hello children. So today we are going to do yet another story on animals. And this time there are two animals in this story which are the main characters. We have the lion and a rabbit. But before we go ahead, can you tell me, lion is a wild animal or a pet animal? Once upon a time, in a great big jungle, lived a great big lion. He had great big paws and very sharp claws. The lion would say, "I am the king of the jungle." The animals would tremble with fear and say, "No, please don't." And the lion would say, "You are all small and weak. You can't stop me. I am going to eat you all up." And when all the animals were scared, there was a tiny little rabbit. He was a clever rabbit. He said, "Don't worry. I have a plan." What do you think was the plan? Do you think the animals would run away from the jungle, or do you think they would think of an idea to defeat the lion? The next day, all the animals, they hid from the lion. "Where are you all?" roared the lion. "I want to eat you." And that's when the clever rabbit hopped in front of the lion. And that's when he said, "You can eat me. I am here." But you know what? I tried to come before also, but another great lion stopped me. "Another great lion? What?" Now what do you think the lion does? But before we know, can you tell me, where does a rabbit live? Do they live in the den, or do rabbits live in a burrow? So, see, this is what happens next. "I am the only lion in the jungle," shouted the lion. "Show me this other lion. I'm going to eat him up, and then I'm going to eat you up, you rabbit." And the rabbit said, oh no, you're not going to do that. This lion has bigger paws and sharper claws." So the clever rabbit led the lion to the deep wide river. He lives there," said the clever rabbit. Lion looked into the water, and another lion looked back. Lion shook his head. So did the other lion. Then the lion wanted to leap into the water. But what happens? But before we go ahead, can you tell me, where does the lion live? Do lions live in the jungle, or do they live in the city? The great lion, he leaped into the water without thinking and was swept away. "At last!" cried the clever rabbit. "We are safe!" The jungle animals came rushing out and started dancing. So the moral of the story is, a small but wise person can defeat someone who is physically bigger and stronger than him. Thank you.